We're going to continue looking at solving systems of linear inequalities. Alright, so sketch the first equation, open or close. So it's solid line, and this one is dotted. Okay, so sketch it. Alright, so remember you can sketch y equals, or you can do it by intercepts. And if you've forgotten, just go look at the video for intercepts. This one is y is 5, so y is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And negative 5x is equal to 5. Let me do a little work for that one. Negative 5x equals 5. Divide both sides by negative 5. And it doesn't matter that it's an inequality because I'm checking just the x and y intercepts to graph it. So x is equal to negative 1. So x is equal to negative 1. So those are the intercepts. And then you're going to do a solid line. Right? Then you need to make sure that if you're going to do this shortcut, you need to make sure that y is not negative. If y is negative, you're going to need to flip the inequality. But y is positive, so this is going to be small. Okay, so remember, small is the small, big is the big. So y is small, so y is small right here. And then you're going to shade everything from that line, including that point. I'm going to go ahead and change the second question so I can give you an example of when you have to flip the inequality. All right, so copy the new question down. I want to do one with example with when y is negative, okay, because I want to show you what you have to remember to do. Otherwise, you can just always make it y equals, and remember, if you multiply or divide by a negative number, you flip the inequality. All right, so again, we'll check if we could do this by intercept, so you cover up 1. Negative 6x is negative 24. Negative 6x is equal to negative 24. Divide both sides by negative 6. X is equal to positive 4. Okay. And then you're going to do the same thing with the y. Alright, so negative 4y is equal to negative 24. But just remember, okay, with this one it matters, so I'm just going to make it greater than. And then divided by negative 4 on both sides. So you're going to get y. Now, because I divide by a negative number, what do you do to the inequality? You flip it. And then negative divided by negative is positive. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So your x-intercept is 4. Your y-intercept is 6. So x is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And y is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and join those two lines. Oh, and it was a dotted line. Or actually, I'll just fix it by doing this. I'm going to cheat a little bit because I should have made it dotted and I'm doing it. Alright, so this is going to be now a solid line. Okay, so remember, I divided by a negative number, so I had to flip the inequality. So now it's going to be small on this one. It started off big, but now it's going to be small because I divide by a negative number. So small means you go at the bottom of the y-axis, so the bottom of the y-axis, and make sure this is shaded in to that line, to this black line. So all of this. This is a listening check. Color in the word solid. Okay, and then your intersection is your solution. So where do I see my intersection? Right here. Okay, so remember they'll ask you is 0, 0 a solution? So you go to 0, 0. Is it in that place? Yes, so that's a solution. Is 6, 2 a solution? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 2? No, because it's not in this where they're both colors. All right, final example. This is y equals, so we're going to go find the y-intercept, which is negative 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then make this a fraction, rise 2, run 1, rise 1, 2, run 1. And then is it solid or open? It's solid, so this is solid line. Okay, so I can just join a nice solid line. Okay. And then is it big or small? So it's big, so we need to make sure that you shade the top of the y, big Y. So everything from the line to that. This is a listening check. put a box around example 4. Okay, then you go to your second equation. Okay, I need to make this y equals, so I can do it by y-intercept form. So take this to the other side, so it's going to be y is greater or equal to, and then it's going to be negative 1/2 x plus 4. I didn't multiply or divide by a negative number, I just moved this to the other side, so I don't need to flip the inequality. So once again, start at your y-intercept 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to go down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, and then is it a solid line? And you join those 2 points up solid. So listening check, put a smiley face underneath example 4. And then is it big or small? So it's big. If it's big, you make sure you got the y-axis and big is on the top, and you shade everything from that line to there. So everything this way, from the line, all of that. Again, your intersection of the colors is your solution, so your solution is up here. Okay, so is 0, 0 a solution? No, because 0, 0 will be right here. Is 3, 5 a solution? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's in here, it is a solution. And that's it.